Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Divine Glories, Chapter 10, Shloka 40. There is no end to my divine glories, O Pranatapa. But this is just a brief statement by me of the particulars of my divine glories.
Chapter 10, Shloka 40. Nantosti mama divyanam vibhutinam parantapa yeshatu uddeshata prokto vibhuter vistaro maya.
Chapter 10, Shloka 40. Drawing together the various lines of arguments made so far, Lord now winds up this section in the following 3 shlokas. There is no end to my glories. Earlier it was pointed out that it is a monumental task to indicate all the glories of the self. Like a pot maker cannot indicate the mud essence in each and every pot in the world, if in a few specimens the knower of the essence points out the essential stuff distinctly as separate from all the names and forms and other qualities, the seeker will be able to recognize for himself the essence when he sees another specimen. Through these different items, one who has meditated sufficiently, he will be able to recognize the one infinite behind the finite multiplicity. A seeker may wonder why Lord has undertaken this task to reveal himself through these finite items instead of directly. Lord says that there is no other way. Like when a medical student is made to operate on dead patients, the patients don't become alive, but the exercise trains and prepares the student to perform on the live patients. Similarly, here too the Lord provides Arjuna with some specific examples in order to teach him the art of seeing the unseen through the seen. Those who meditate upon these examples will learn to recognize the infinite in all its effulgence in the heart of every finite form. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.